comfortable with the calculator here?
Oh, yes.
Okay. So it says use the information below, which compares the year to the number of patents in thousands to find a quadratic regression. The first step would be to enter the data into our calculator. To enter our data, we start by pressing the stat button next to the left arrow. And then from the stat menu, we pick the edit tab and use the edit command. And we're going to type the x's into L1 and the y's into L2.
Wait, how do you clear them?
So if you move your cursor up to the title and then press the clear button, not delete, and the down arrow, it wipes the whole column. Are people still typing data?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll pause here then, wait for you guys to,
176.7.
yes, it's a lot of 6 sevens in there, right? Ha ha ha! Is it still funny?
Yes.
I read on the internet 6 sevens isn't cool anymore.
You're
You know
reading the
how-
wrong stuff.
You know how I know that the internet's right?
Why?
It's because my 6-year-old daughter thinks it's cool. That's how I know it's not cool anymore. When elementary school children are excited about it, it's like, that's run its course.
Can we quit after?
We'll be exiting back out to the home screen, yes. This would be the next step. I'm just waiting for everybody to get the data, and I still see Gianna squinting at the board, which makes me think she's still trying to type in stuff. You're fine, you squint away. I'm just,
school tomorrow?
yes.
Mr. Willen said on his mama we're having school.
Do you know why I think we'll have school tomorrow?
You just had a meeting.
No, because the wind chill isn't going to get down low enough to have like a winter caution for cold weather, which is what happened last week when we had the cold day. I don't think it's gonna get cold enough with the wind chill to force that, because I think that's the cutoff for the public schools, is the winter cold weather advisory. And even though the air temperature is gonna be colder, the wind chill's just worse.
Yeah.
So I think they said the wind chill's only gonna be like 10 to 15 below. And again, it's 20 below with wind chill.
Wait, I
and
think it's
cold weather
so
advisory.
It's too cold for me.
And it is for me also, but
So we should just not go to school.
call it in.
It's too dangerous.
All right,
I'm having
group it back together, going to the next step.
a sleepover. I'm gonna stay here.
I'm gonna press second and quit to exit back to the main screen. The problem asks me to find the quadratic regression. All of my regression equations live in the same place. I press the
Wait, I missed that part?
What's that?
I press the stat button
And then calc.
and then go over to the calc tab. And which one am I looking for?
Vardar. Quadratic.
Quadrag. Why quadrag?
Because it's asking you for a quadratic.
It asks for a quadratic regression in the problem. So you got to read the problem. They're not all lin regs. It'll ask, might ask for what it wants.
It's okay, we're all learning things. Did you hit enter?
I pressed enter on quadrag, yes.
Quadratic.
Now mine brings up a menu. You have an old looking calculator. You might get this, you might have a string entry. That's
I
fine.
said quadratic.
Yep. I'll tell you what to do in a second after I deal with everybody at the menu.
Why does it
Sorry,
X says L2 for me, yours says L1, is that an issue?
Well, where did you type your X's in? What list did you type it in when you typed it into the calculator?
L1 and L2.
Okay, so you want to make sure your X list says L1.
Here, you just have to do the second, and then you want to change this one to L1.
I really just want to put.
Second, and then you just have to do, it's gonna say blue L1.
Attention.
Gosh.
So I type my X's into L1. I type my Y's into L2. If, for example, my Y's were in L3 and I need to change this, if you look at the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7.
they're, nope. Above them in blue is like L1, L2, L3. So I could do second and like the number 2, and I'll get the L2, or second and the number 3 gives me the L3. You need to change them. Frequency list will always be
0.
empty. To store reg EQ, I should,
Bars.
I'm going to enter Y1 there. To get to Y1, I need to press the bars button, which is right below the down arrow,
Will you always put Y1 in there?
unless you want to save whatever you have in Y1 and put it somewhere else. But it's fine.
Okay, wait. Okay.
Okay. And then after I press bars,
Go to Y bars.
Y bars, function, and there's Y1.
And then calculate.
And then I'll hit calculate.
Calculate.
I don't even see Y1.
Oh, look at
Why
that.
was
If I just
she?
hit enter,
I did it. How do
I get all of that. I just hit enter.
And now how do I interpret this?
Wait.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. I maybe more, but I didn't answer.
So, what would you write down for your answer to the regression equation?
Wouldn't it be R2?
I don't. Oh wait, I don't have R2.
It would be R squared.
I'm so poor.
Oh, we got a little
got Y1.
Look at it, Lars.
I'm
Shut up, you didn't put something.
Does it matter if my calculator is in regular mode?
Did you post something on Ellie's next story?
It's
98%.
So it's 98% correct. Actually, 98.
What's the termination? It's 98%.
So, my answer that I'd write down for quad reg would be y equals 0.44906568884 x squared minus 1777.365966 x plus 1758782.146.
What's R squared?
Wait, how do you know that's for whether or not it's
Everybody okay with it?
Oh yeah, it has to go.
So you don't do anything with R2?
Not yet.
So I would write
Hold
that.
on. That is how we write our answer for the quadratic regression. That is our regression equation, right?
Yeah.
Everybody's okay. The directions tell you to round to a decimal point, round to the decimal point. If it doesn't tell you to round, don't round. Write the whole number.
Okay.
Wait, so you do A minus B?
No.
You just write the equation that's at the top.
I write this and I'm filling in the number for A,
Oh, I see.
and then the number for B, and the number for C, but I'm just writing the equation as it says on my calculator.
Oh,
Just filling in the spots. Lily,
How do you know what X is?
you did X is X.
Oh, there's no number for it?
There's not a number. You're writing an equation. Okay? The next question says, Predict the number of years when patents will reach 450,000. What am I doing here?
Times.
You changed the Y bars, right?
So is 450,000 an X value or a Y value?
X. It's a Y value because it's like
This
years.
is a Y, right? Okay,
Yeah.
is everybody all right?
Yeah.
So I'd have like, now read the directions here, because there's an important piece in this direction.
Thousands.
Number of patents are in thousands.
Oh.
How many thousands is 450,000?
425.
400.
No, 450.
450.
Pick one right up.
I don't forget, whatever. So what I'm doing is I'm going to solve this equation. 450 equals my regression equation. Am I going to do this by hand?
Probably not.
No.
No. I'm going to do it with my calculator now. Okay? Lauren?
I know that.
Sure. Yes, that's fine. Okay, so how am I going to do that? I'm going to do it graphically. So I'm going to use one of my other y equals spots, not the one where my regression equation is stored, and I'm going to enter in 450. Okay?
What's the Y2 and Y3?
That's for a different class. I just wanted to save them because it's kind of a
I
hassle to
can
get all
just
that
pick
stuff.
any Y.
Sure.
Okay.
My one is for the last one.
Oh, wait.
Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick zoom, stat. So there's my regression equation. There's the scatter plot. And the 450, do you see the horizontal line for 450?
Yes. Oh, wait.
I don't on my screen.
I don't. There's just one line.
Okay.
Oh,
So
I don't see it.
why not? If I look at the window, what is the maximum Y value?
410.
Where's the 450 at?
It's not it.
Off the screen, right? Let's just make that Y max 500.
Wow. Wait, sorry. How did you do that?
Press the window button.
And then I go
Oh, I see.
Y max. Do you go back to Zoom?
Oh, you can see it.
Would you be graph?
I just pressed graph.
Yeah, but after
I have a straight line, and that's it.
Wait, what did you do after you hit window again?
Where do I go?
Graph.
I just have a straight line. I don't have the.
You didn't store your regression.
I don't have that line.
What?
You didn't store the regression equation. When you made the
It's fine, I don't need
regression.
the line anyway. I forgot the
Oh,
line.
actually, it's
Chat.
So you didn't store the regression? Is that it?
Wait, I got the same.
Yeah.
I thought it automatically. Well, how do you do the zoom stat?
My calculator's so poor.
Oh, zoom.
I will.
And then,
Okay, just take a break. Yes.
oh, zoom stat, and then enter.
It's
Oh.
on Y max that you change it to 500, right?
Right.
And then put the
I did
window
that.
to 500.
Great.
Y max 500.
Press the graph button. Go back and look at your graph.
Graph?
Yeah.
I don't.
Hey, Big, I did it.
Why did you change the line?
Everybody needs to can their side conversations, and you really need to listen the first time I'm doing it, because if you're not caught up, just stop talking and listen to where I'm at, and then you can scramble to catch back up when I'm taking a pause again. But like we're going back and I'm answering the same question 2, 3, 4 times, which is fine, but like try to hang in there, okay, and listen. So, Nina, when I graphed it the first time, I could not see the horizontal line for 450, this pink line. It was not on my graph. What it likely means is that the window would not show it because it was like off the screen. That's why I went to the window command and changed the Ymax because it was 410. So 450 is like off the screen somewhere.
Okay.
Okay?
So
Now I still have a small problem though.
is the line 450?
The pink line is the 450. Yes. What is still my problem?
We don't know when.
I don't have an intersection, right? Where's that intersection happening?
Oh, screen.
Which direction?
Right.
To the right.
So positive X.
So I need to go back to my window and I need to change my X max so that my screen goes further to the right.
2010.
It's at 2005. It doesn't have to keep, it looks like I'm pretty close to the intersection. It doesn't really matter what I pick. 2010 should probably be sufficient. And then I'll press graph again to go back to the graph.
There you go.
Now I have the intersection.
Ooh.
Everybody's okay? To find the intersection of these two lines, I'm going to press second and then the trace button. Which command here sounds like the one that I want? Intersect. Because I have two lines and they're intersecting exactly one time. The inputs here do not matter. I'm just going to press enter 3 times. 1, 2, 3.
2006 when.
So during the year 2006 would be when that happens.
So early 2006.
I would just say during.
I don't do it, but I still have like that. How do you know to press the enter button every time?
So the intersect command asks for 3 inputs. Which 2 curves do you want to find the intersection on? And yes, they're only intersecting one time on the screen. You can just press enter 3 times.
Okay. Is it a regular cube then? It wouldn't let you that. 500, 600.
You don't put up one. Bars.
Graph. What's the line? How do you get
Is this someone?
How do you get the what?
A line.
You know? This one guy's calculator.
Oh, good.
450.
It's just off the screen.
Oh, it's supposed to be this. Is that why?
So you didn't use
That's so far, because we're
part of the problem.
Oh,
Really?
Oh, wait,
I don't know what it is.
that was up to 19.
Is that even your line?
Now it's off the screen.
What on earth? I don't know how that. I don't think that's confused. See, I don't remember seeing this on the phone.
First gonna go times it.
You don't have the data. You can't.
I just.
It took me long as hell last time.
I mean, I got some of the numbers. Look at what was typed in.
I'll find out.
Oh, wow.
Did your
He has like all day.
How do I not do that?
Besides a day.
I just put it in there. Oh, so you get 450. Oh, I have to go to Windows.
But the president
Literally, it didn't graph anything.
Okay, it's right off the screen. I don't know actually.
No, it's not. It's really
Did he not? Wait, let me see.
And then I had 62.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
So it's basically
How do you get into the
Last semester I missed the first semester.
Yeah.
And I had
There's not
Like
even
my
a.
house is like.
What if I had it saved and I all the data and put it in and still in there?
You have to do.
editing
Window. It's off the graph, so you have to window. I know what I'm supposed to do.
30%, so I'm 1-0. He missed like the first month of school.
I think the batteries would like to do it.
First ones.
That's
That's why
possible.
it's having so much.
But can I borrow another calculator?
I don't think I have another calculator.
40% reduction, 30%.
Yeah.
0%.
So you have your data.
I saw 0% in the grade.
You need to supply this three and
Zero in
Oh, I literally just plugged mine
tell
in.
it where it's putting out putting out one.
So that's Miss Garcia for calc, sorry.
And where to store the equation.
It's like so dead, like I was putting stuff in it and I didn't get it.
Yeah, same.
Olivia, take it quiet, girl, quiet. Oh my God.
Do it again.
Olivia wants to do that.
Maybe get out in the equation.
I know, we'll just exactly.
Graph, scatter plot, and your regression equation we just made. Your 450 is off the chart, just like you have in cross. So move this up to 500. Graph, just press graph again and again.
Okay, that's that.
Still don't see the intersection.
Wow, there's an error.
Now we can
Now we can
Perfect. Thank you. And can I use that one?
I have an app for
So what we do, we want to do all that.
It just depends on how you're calculating. So like if instead of asking 450, if I asked like it wasn't 300, you type in 300, there would be no.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking, like, I was like, what?
It's just because it's not or something. And how the just kind of just depends on.
But being coach about 5.5 feet away.
All right. Here we go. Let's do